8 people landing with us. Right on the other side of this wall. Going up. Zip. On the roof. His teammate is pushing me.
Reloading. Need to recharge my shield.
I downed one of them, but I didn't have enough time to stay, so just going off the fact that they low-key almost killed me.
The ring's closing in one.
I got him low, there's no way. I downed him. I'm coming. Not pushing, he's not pushing. I got him so low, bro. Got him. Why did he leave the game, bro? What a douche, bro.
Catching myself up.
He thought I was gonna lose that. Are we dead serious right now? I got you, bro. I'll get you back. $120 and you leave because your team isn't as good as you, bro? Like, come on, bro. Come on, bro. That you're trash too, bro. You're a level 120, bro. I could probably go look. I could make a group post and get somebody better than you. Like, I'd be damned. I'd be damned. That high ass ego, you gotta lose that shit. Or they go over here with a shotgun and lace this dude. I had a pistol, shotgun.
Hostile close.
Another, bro. Like, come on. Don't nobody want to use this shit. Let me just turn down my music real quick mid-game. That way I can actually hear where these footsteps.
First blood.
It's definitely not from in here, but it is from in here. Yep. Hit him. Hit him bad as shit.
Enemy down.
His teammates are pushing me. I need help. I need help. Outside, not in here. Oh, he died. He left the game. Oh. So it was you I was hearing. Oh, my bad, bro. I'm telling you where they are, and they're not even there because it was you. Oh, my bad, bro. You deserve that apology. Yeah, I low-key did not know it was you.
Catching myself up.
Target spotted. Far off.
Wait. You cannot leave me behind, boy. I gained aura from that voice. I genuinely sound like Kratos. I see you. I see you. He's purple. He's already purple. Are we fucking serious, bro? Their entire squad is in that one spot, bro. I think you should leave My hard recommendation is that you should run away. It's two of them, and they're pushing you. They're pushing you. You should 100% run. Yup, keep running. Yup, get the fuck out of here. I'm gonna lead them away from you. Yeah, I'm distracting them. They're trying to kill me. They're trying to kill me. Come kill me! Please. I wanna die. And there we go. Whole squad looting us because they're bots and they genuinely don't know what they're doing. Go over to icicle placement. You move a lot slower with your gun out. Elite ball knowledge, though. You can just go do it right in front of you. Go over there. If I'd have got what I wanted out of that portal, that would have been some crazy footage. Some crazy footage. I'm already getting establishing. Someone's. Hey. Nope. Hey, y'all better get the running, bro, because they got the high ground. I gave up high ground, bro. If they have the high ground, we're going to die, bro. I'm not going to lie. That's not a team you want to fight, bro. Not when they have the high ground. Basically means they're establishing dominance over us, which means that we got to go. Like, genuinely got to go, bro. I know y'all want to stay, but we do not want to stay for that. I'm upgrading my weapon and everything, dog.
Got this weapon in hand. Good.
Okay. If they're gonna... I'm not gonna let you get pushed now, like, because you're not running away. You're kind of just like trying to fight them. Now we start running. No. Now we start running because you're still trying to fight them. Okay.
Not safe. They're close. Are sure we're not alone?
They're getting closer.
Care package incoming.
I don't know how like high up they are. Like I don't want to like. There they are.
Enemy over there.
It's an Octane, and he's pushing.
Forget
It's
that.
two of them. Caustic over there. Bro, y'all just done left the fuck out of me, bro. What the hell? I thought y'all was still over here, bro. I thought we was gonna fight that. The way y'all was acting at first, now y'all don't want to fight it, bro. They're following me right now. But little do they know, bro. All I need is a little bit of height, and they're screwed, bro. Right here.
Shooter, move.
He's cracked. I cracked him. He's cracked. Fully cracked. He's fully cracked. Watch out for that grenade. One's down. One's hit bad.
Time to bind you.
Enemy taken out.
I downed one. I killed one.
Ultimate's ready. These bonds aren't easily broken.
Killed another one.
That was the last one. Nice work.
There's another squad, by the way, guys,
Care
so
package over there.
be aware.
A Phoenix kit. Cover me. Contact with hostile. Taking damage.
Yo, don't die on me. Don't die on me. I'm getting over there, bro. I just had to fight an entire squad, bro, so just bear with me.
We have 30 seconds. Prepare.
Fuck.
Cut out an enemy.
I'm going up behind them. They're fighting another squad. I'm being aimed at, bro. I got one of them literally 1 HP, bro. It's just my aim was so bad, bro. I didn't want to get sniped.
I'm out of light ammo. Target spotted. Far. Missile lines them. Got them.
Care package coming in. Set the portal. Enemies nearby.
That's what I want.
Need to recharge my shield. Let's see, try better. Don't have against me.
We're close to the ring. We have 1 minute.
I got one down. Yo, come help me. Come help me.
The ring is near.
He's super low. He's super low.
Enemy in the distance.
I got 5 kills right now. I didn't even notice.
Second squad, adjust your strategy. Taking fire. I had hoped the kill leader would be more impressive.
Yeah.
Repairing damages.
I had hopes too, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I had hopes too.
Rings around the corner. Enemy far off.
Wait for me, guys. Wait for me. Wait for me. Oh, I'm not the kill leader anymore. What the hell? I was literally just the kill leader.
Listen up, the ring's moving.
Come on, team. Let's go. We gotta get moving. We gotta get moving. Squad landing straight to our left.
Care package
Hurry up.
coming
Hurry
in.
up. Hurry up.
They're near you. Okay.
They're right there on that. Hey, stay at my portal. Stay at my portal. Stay at my portal. Stay on it. Stay on it. Fuck it, bro. Fuck it. Nah, you're good. Nobody's over here. I thought they would be, but they weren't for some odd reason. Give me that. I'd rather this. I'm not gonna lie. That's a perfect grenade. I'm not gonna lie. No, no, the fuck it's not. One's running to our left over here.
Squad isn't in the ring. Correct that.
One's up here.
Hostile.
I'm about to correct that. Got him.
That was the last one. Nice work. One more squad.
Right there. One's right there. I don't have any more grenades, so throw grenades right there.
You are the Apex champions.
Guys, we did it. Good job. Another one? Y'all want to do it again? We can do it again. I mean,
I don't fear anything.
introducing your champion. I don't fear anything. Can you say the same?
And the job master. This time.
Ooh, boy. Hold on, chill, cuz, chill.
Dropping in. Hang on.
Chill, cuz, chill. You want to go over there? Where you want to go? Where you want to go? Where you want to go? Ah, to our left, because I made it up. Hey, I didn't make the rules, okay? Let's see. Are they going to land where I think they're going to land? If they don't land on heavy, then they're genuinely just screwed, bro. I'm not going to lie. You better land on heavy. You better land on heavy. You didn't land on heavy. That's your fault.
Wrong choice.
Yep, and you're dead. Yep, you're dead, bud. You're dead. Good job. Finish her ass. Stupid.
Taking shots. Need to
In here.
contact.
Speed do. Just like that, I got behind you, cuz. He's not in here no more. He's over there. I seen him run in there. Thank you, bro. Because this thermite shit is ridiculous. Hanging out outside. Good shit. I gotta back up some, bro, because that dude did some fucking hella damage, and I have no shield left. Hey guys, we did our damage. Hey, come back over here. Come back over here. We're finna handle whatever's in here. We're gonna go handle whatever's in here, because I don't want to. That we had horrible positioning, and I don't want to, sell the game because of that. That was some bad positioning. We took their positioning, which was already bad positioning, and we took that shit for ourselves. So yeah, that was some bad. That was bad, but we chilling though. We chilling.
Should get them back up.
Can you heal me real quick, bro, if you don't mind? Because I don't really want to waste my heal.
Better patch myself up. I'm pretty hurt. Upgrades ready. Time to make a choice.
Upgrades ready. Time to make a choice. Doc, you're coming with me. Thanks, bro. I just don't want to waste my stuff. Alright guys, let's go do this. They're on the other side of this door, over there. Or actually they're in the middle. I'm talking about over there.
I say we move there.
They're right on the top, over here somewhere.
Perfection.
I might have been right with my first consumption. With my right consumption. They're over to our left over here.
Target spotted.
I think. No, it sounds like they're more to the left, like all the way over here. Apex needs to fix their damn sound, bro. I'm more confused than I've ever been. That's where they are? Okay. Alright, well, let's go.
I feel like there are enemies nearby.
Oh yeah, they're up here. They're over here. Not in here, but they're over here. Just landed on me. They're on the roof.
Go this way.
Like right above me.
Hostile right here. Boy.
On the roof, on the roof, on the roof. He's low, come back down, he's low. He's in the corner healing, he's healing. No! Fuck. I got one of them low. He just went from shooting you to shooting me. Good job. There's 3 squads, by the way. It's not just that one squad. Just get out of there, bro. Get out of there. There's too many squads going. Okay, shit. I guess pick me up. I mean, I'm not complaining. I'm not complaining. I'm just saying, I'm not complaining. Hey. Yeah, they're over here, by the way. They're right on the 2nd floor. Go to the stairs on the 2nd floor. Go to the stairs to the 2nd floor. They're on the 2nd floor balcony. Worried about me. Dude shot out a glass window. What a dumbass. Got one. One's down. Army. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, bro. I'm 1 HP, bro. I'm running for my life. Oh, it's unreal how far I'm finna run.
Healing up. Eyes are open though.
Whew, that was close, wasn't it, guys?
Replicator coming down.
I almost killed 2 of them, but couldn't finish it. There we go. Slip right out their way. Go around for this. And we're out of here, bro. I'm gonna go craft y'all a nice, good, safe spot that I can craft y'all at.
Rings far, a minute to go.
Oh my god, I'll take all this.
45 seconds.
Overflow? Oh my god, I'll take that. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Oh my. And I got an evac. I just won the lottery. I just won the lottery. Oh, I'm so slow, bro. I know, bro. Don't need to ping it 8 times. I definitely see it. And they're shooting at me. Or trying to. Sadly, that's not how this shit goes, so.
Only 10 seconds
Out of there
left.
just as fast as we got in there. I'm using it as a distraction, by the way, so don't ask why did he do that. It's because that's a 1000% high IQ play that I just did. Why is it like... Oh. Please come over here so I can go over there. Good job. Great job, actually. Yep. Even better job. No! I forgot! My dumbass tried to go on a zip line with my ult out, bro. Are we fucking serious? Oh my god, and then when I got on the zip line, I proceeded to jump off, bro. What low IQ play was that? Worst IQ play I've ever hit in my life, bro. And I thought I was gonna eat with that. Oh, I thought I was gonna I was gonna eat with that one. Hell nah. Boy, I jumped right off as soon as I got on the zip line too. It's the worst part. Lord have mercy. That was just a stressful situation right there. I just didn't expect their dumbass to go straight to the fucking. Didn't expect their dumbass to go straight to the fucking. Oh, God damn that echo, boy. Well, I guess we're playing right now. Shit. Actually, I'm lucky glad he left because I'm about to end stream, bro. I got what I wanted out of this stream. I'm not gonna lie. I'm finna have to go. So, peace out. I mean, I got my couple good games. I proceeded to jump off a zip line. Chill, bro. I don't know, bro. I really don't know. Don't trip, bro. It was stressful. It was a stressful situation. I thought I was gonna eat there, and I did not eat, bro. Did not eat, bro. It said they're close. Yeah, I seen him by himself, so I was expecting like them to either be where he was going or dead or whatever he was doing, because it looked like he was gonna go revive his teammates, go to the crafting station. He didn't, but that's fine. What's up, YouTube? I love y'all over there, and we finna end this stream, bro. I did my job. Peace.